Hello, I'm Martha and welcome to my veranda garden. As you can see, it is full of spring bulbs. Here we have the delightful jonquil, which today has a very, very, very beautiful fragrance. My daffodils, with their beautiful smiley faces, they give me such pleasure and delight. My, unfortunately, crocuses, my two flowering crocuses are now dying. However, there are more coming up, 3 more. And there is a promise also of a tulip in this pot. Here we have the latest flowering tulip. Daffodil, sorry. It's absolutely beautiful. And also in here, the promise of tulips to come. This pot has some stunning little new jonquils as well. They really are quite beautiful, and the smell today is glorious. This is my pot of cornflowers, which I planted out last week. None have shot as yet, but watch this space, as they say. Here we have more daffodils and the promise of yet more tulips. Unfortunately, my tulips are either yellow or red. There wasn't a lot of choice at Eurospin when I was doing my bulb shopping. And yet another pot with, again, more tulips and daffodils. And this is our watering can. Quite a nice Chianti, if I do say so myself. Makes a very, very good watering can. Here, in this pot, and in its neighbour, we have gladioli and ranunculus. Ranunculus are again another spring bulb, absolutely beautiful, and gladdies. I love spring bulbs. They bring new hope and colour and perfume to an otherwise dull day, which we can still have at this time of the year. Ranunculus, multicoloured, big blooms, again just full of hope and promise, and they make a person smile. My favourite spring bulb is probably the jonquil, actually, because of the fact that it flowers first, is the harbinger of spring, and it has such a delightful fragrance. Yeah, so this is my wee balcony with my flowers. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you have a wonderful day. Not sure if I can show you me, but anyway, Martha, remember. Bye, thank you.